So if you are following along with us and filing your return, there's a few things that you're going to need. So you'll need any 1099 forms that you received from places that you worked, whether that be a club, an online platform, really anywhere that issued you a 1099, you're going to need to gather those up and have them on hand. You'll also need a record of any self-employment income that you earned that was not reported on a 1099. So this could be cash payments, it could be Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, it could be somewhere that you worked where they didn't issue you a 1099. You need to have a record of all of that handy. You'll also need a record of your business expenses that you incurred throughout the year. Ideally, you want to break these up into categories since that's how we're going to be reporting it on the return. You should only include expenses that you have a receipt for or that you have some proof of purchase for. We'll go more into detail about what can and can't be written off later in this course. If at any time throughout the year you worked somewhere where you were considered an employee, then you'll need your W-2 from that place. If you received unemployment benefits at any time throughout the year, then you will need Form 1099-G that reports your unemployment benefits and the taxes withheld. If you are in school or you were in school at any point throughout the calendar year, then you will need Form 1098-T from your university, which reports the amount that was paid in tuition and fees and the amount you received in scholarships and grants. If you paid any student loan interest throughout the year, then you will also need Form 1098-E, which reports the amount of student loan interest that you paid, because this can be deducted on your return. If you have any investment accounts, you should have received a consolidated tax statement that contains Forms 1099-DIV, 1099-B, and 1099-INT. You will need all of these in order to file your return. If you purchased health insurance through the marketplace, so healthcare.gov, then you will also need Form 1095-A that reports the cost of your health insurance and the amount that was subsidized by the government. If you live in a state that requires you to prove your health insurance coverage, then you will need that form as well. If you contributed to a retirement account during the year, you'll need Form 5498 that shows the amount that you contributed and the fair market value of your account. And finally, you will need your own Social Security number, as well as the Social Security number and date of birth for anyone that you are claiming as a dependent.